See, today was a historic meeting. All the agencies which are important to manage the pollution of Delhi's air quality all were together. So there was representation, minister from Delhi government, then Haryana government, officers from Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, all the three MCDs, NDMC, and even NTPC, because Badarpur was an important issue, and Delhi police. So all agencies were there. Everybody, we today discussed only what each agency has planned to do things in next 3 months. And in these 3 months, all the state governments, all the agencies have decided on a certain action plan. This is a new action plan because media has also taken it very seriously, people have also taken it very seriously, and central government has also taken very seriously, so as to check the air pollution and give a fresh lease of life to Delhiites which can breathe, which have the right to breathe fresh air, and that we want to guarantee. And therefore, in the first 3 months, major actions are as follows. Central government will, within next 10 days, frame the rules for construction and demolition waste, which is very important factor for air pollution. Then Delhi, Haryana government is already floated a tender of Manesar Palwal, the work of which will be completed in 9 months. They have taken up PUC checking, PUC centers which are giving certificates, the checking of those centers very seriously, and they have decided that in NCR regions, that is 11 districts of Haryana, only BS4 compliant vehicles only will be registered. Other vehicles won't be registered. So that's a big step which gives a message and a clear signal. Then they are installing 3 continuous monitoring and everyday data will be given. Till today, only Rohtak, Gurgaon and Faridabad had this. Now Sonipat and Panipat will also be there. So construction waste rules which we will make, all states will implement. Stubble burning, they have done 4 FIRs. And now there is an economic model also with the help of new technology which can bring out oil from the stubble also. So there is an incentive. So Haryana hopes that there will be tremendous reduction in this year's stubble burning, and which will reduce the pollution load. The Delhi state government has started online monitoring. No, they will start online monitoring of all major polluting impacts and units till June. Then it will be online monitoring, so it will be 24/7. Then action against visible polluting vehicles, they are starting, and PUC checking, they have already issued various directions. And overloading trucks and vehicles which create NOx pollution, they will take stern action against those. Yeah. Garbage helpline has become popular and people are giving their things. More importantly, they have decided to install automatic number plate recognition machines on all the border points, so that when the truck enters into Delhi border and when it goes out, that will be recorded, and that will give us the real data of how many non-destined vehicles enter and how to check it. MCD, all the 3 MCDs have decided to have new plants of construction and demolition waste plant to make to paver blocks. They have also decided leaves to pallet plants. There are many and they are adding it. Mechanical dusting will be increased. The directions for no burning of biomass are issued, and office orders for ward-wise nodal officer. So people can know whom to complain. People can know what will happen, and more awareness campaign will be done. NDMC is coming out with first plant in Asia of plasma gasification, so which will also treat polluting material into a gas. So that's they are doing it in 4 plants, and mechanical sweepers also they are adding more 2 units, more mechanical sweeping. Traffic police will find out non-destined vehicles. PUC will be strictly implemented. Within 15 days of from 28 February to 12 March, लेन डिसिप्लिन के 48,000 चैलेंज इशू किए हैं. अब ये कार्रवाई और सख्त होगी, क्योंकि लेन डिसिप्लिन न पालने से भी दैट इज व्हाई दिस कंजेशन एंड थिंग्स हैपन. बिगड़ने वाली गाड़ियाँ एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन उसका सोल्यूशन बाद में सोचेंगे. NTPC has decided to convert their unit 4 and 5 with retrofitting, so that 2/3 of the emission load from Badarpur plant in those 2 units, 4 and 5, will be reduced, and it will be only 1/3 pollution load. Badarpur plant 1, 2 and 3, NTPC has already planned to phase out in a time-bound manner in future. Rajasthan has also taken effective monitoring action, and Air Act, they have issued directions under Air Act. UP has also installing air quality monitoring in Noida, Ghaziabad, and 18 coal-based units which are polluting will converted into gas in the next 3 months. So I think today's meeting was a good success, because all agencies concerned gathered together and pledged for some specific actions on their part in Delhi, which will definitely have some impact on Delhi's air quality. And last but not least, we will meet again in the first or second week of July for a day-long deliberations to chalk out, to assess what has happened in the last 3 months, and also to chalk out a mid-term strategy by all agencies, because it has to be treated not by one agency. It's an air-shared concept, where the air gets impacted, air gets polluted from various factors in the area. So that air-shared treatment we will do, and that's what we have decided. Thank you.